since people have been mad that the speed doesn't work anymore, I'm gonna be showing you that it is not patched. In fact, it is just that it is just that it is now normally set to 1 speed, so that you're not as fast. So you can see I am fast right now, cause you'll see why. So, cause if you press the 3 dots, so if you press the 3 dots, you have to actually make it a speed. Like, this is what it's normally set at, is 1. Like, watch this. It's normally set at 1, and as you can see, it makes you really slow. The parts are like... So I think it's normally set at 5. You see it makes you slow. You have to move it up more, then it makes you faster. So I'm gonna be messing around with some more stuff they added. And yeah, shop did get removed. It's too... They found the, like, devs found out about the shop glitch. Like, so they patched it. Even though it's not really a glitch, it's whatever. So here's Spinbot. This does stop people from hitting you easier, but it does have high chance of getting banned, so I won't do that. Schematica. I'll teach you how to do it. There's a ton of stuff. I'm just gonna go to anti-void authority. So when it's invisible, it means people can't. It just looks like on their screen you teleport. They can't actually see. Okay. If you go to auto tool, it automatically switches your hand to the appropriate tool. Free cam, speed. If I move that up, and then free cam, it's just free YouTube free cam. So you see what people are doing. Like, look at this guy. He's like going somewhere. Where's he going? He's getting diamonds. Okay, I mean, do what you want. I think he's new. I don't know if he knows how to play. But then, if you press shift, you can go slower. This is me. It doesn't. You can actually see a bed, but you can't break it, sadly. But, there used to be a glitch. YouTubers abused it, and some got banned from it. But I don't think you should use it. Scaffold. Scaffold is OP. And then we have... Oh god. Where's free cam? Oh, this dude's on top of our base. Where's the free cam option? Where is it? No. They're gonna break our bed! They're gonna break our bed! Get him! No, our bed! Oh Oh my god, where's the free cam option? I'm not gonna move it anymore. I should not have moved it. I'm so dumb. It's whatever. This dude broke it, so I'm getting revenge on him. Let me just go ahead and Well, these dudes didn't do it, but it's a free bet, okay? Where's auto bid break? It said definitely auto. So lucky block. So I have to look for lucky block. Lucky block nuker, bed nuker. Boom. As you can see, you jump down. As you can see, they can't hit you. As you can see, if you jump down, if they try and hit you, you'd most likely hit them. Let me change the bed nuker to top. Thank you for the sword upgrade. I'm a gentle beast right now, but oh flip, bro! Dude's got some armor, but I have some iron armor, so I don't think he wants. Thank you so much for those emeralds. I really appreciate that. I'm just gonna grab these emeralds and then anti-cheat back to my spot. Go ahead and grab these and then. And that's what you do. You have to. It's like. And then you anti-cheat back to your spot. It's OP. I don't use it. I don't abuse it, but because it's like hacks. And that is why I can just go to the shop, buy diamond armor, buy balloons, some of this, some of this, some of that, some of that, some of that. Oh, you wanna fight? Bro, dude's got nothing on. He's gonna fight a diamond player. Good luck with that. My teammates are gone. I always say, bro, I swear to gosh, if they die, I'm gonna freak out. What if I just TP behind him? No, stop. I don't wanna break their bed. I don't wanna break their bed. I'm just gonna get Rage Blade. Yo, what? Thank you for this Rage Blade. Very much. Now if I upgrade max armor, max sword damage, it'll be so OP. It'll be absolutely godly. So let me get some diamonds. Then I'll upgrade sword, and then I can two-shot them. You wanna fight? Bro, they tried to block trap me. Good luck with that. I could climb blocks. And what can you do? Just sit here and die. Thank you for these kills, really. Like, I very much appreciate it. Let me block trap them so that they try any funny business. They can't get out. This is so fun. Oh flip, I'm so low. Bro. But what if this dude's about to kill Rage Flame Diamond player? Swear to God. You're not gonna escape. You almost got me dead. And I am gonna get you dead. That's a big threat. Alright, I'm just gonna go and leave him trapped. Good luck getting out, Paco. You won't get out unless you just have magic power. Have to mine through all of this. Good luck, buddy. I'll just put him. Good luck getting out now. Oh God. Yo! You're illegal! It's not allowed here. You're not allowed to get out like that. Get away. You're not allowed to get out like that. I'm just gonna auto click and hopefully it traps him. I think he's fully just trapped now. He has nowhere to go. Look at him. Come here! You want to escape from me? I was gonna say if you go into the generator, you did. So don't try going into the generator, or you did. As you see, you get no iron. Hey, yo! No escapability. There's legit no escape. Unless you somehow are Spider-Man just like me. There's no escaping. But this little rift dude, he's still like he's sneaky boy. He's Among Us. Dun dun dun. Hey! No, you're not allowed to get out. Oh God. Well, I'm just building. I'm just killing it. It's so good. He's like, please stop. Well, that's how the work is, so bye. See you next time.